Hi. Hi, I'm Shar and this is Dieting with a Life. This is a quick start keto instructional and we're going to put a link to an easy recipe book with all the ratios at the end of the video, just for you. So this is going to be a quick little video to explain keto. So, what you shouldn't eat: sugar, grains, and starches. What you should eat, and a lot of: fat. Fat has no effect on your glucose, so consider that your safe food. And if you eat monounsaturated fats, it will lower your LDL, like olives, peely nuts, and fish. So, what should your keto ratios be? 5 to 10% carbs, 60 to 75% fat, and 20% protein. So how do you make sure each one of your meals is in those ranges? Well, you have to log them in apps like MyFitnessPal. Been there, done that. Hated it. So, not very much fun, but Dieting with a Life has a new recipe book that has recipes and lists the ratios. It also lists the calories, but the ratios are more important. So that way it's a bit easier for you. We'll keep adding recipes. With everyone's help, we can get that recipe book huge. Just like the page and post your favorite keto recipe. If it's not in the proper ratios, I'll fix it until it is. I can give you an example. I ate a large plate of real good enchiladas with some cheesy Spanish cauliflower rice. It was pretty good, but it was also in my ratios. So my before markers were glucose 80 and ketones 2.4. My 1 hour glucose was only 82 and the ketones were up to 3.1. And finally, my 2 hour glucose was 78 and ketones were 3.0. So no huge spike in glucose, and my ketones went up. And that's what a keto meal should do. Low glucose means a healthier, longer living you. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to this channel so you can be notified of all the new videos that are right around the corner.